Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the July 2024 Curated Bead Box to share with you all today. In case you're not familiar, the Curated Bead Box is a monthly subscription of beads. Each box also contains a Findings starter kit, which makes it really handy, especially if you're kind of new to jewelry making and you don't have a very large stash of findings. This makes it where you can make pieces pretty much directly from the box. All you would really need would be your basic jewelry tools. It's $20 a month, and that includes shipping. I believe they only ship in the United States, and you get a lot of beads for $20. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa35, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for this subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. So I'm going to, as you can see, the theme this month is My Summer Garden. These are probably going to be some really pretty summery colored beads. I'm going to open it up here and take a little peek. You know, it looks like they've given us an organza baggie this time. I love those. I use those to, when I do the one craft fair I do every year, I usually put the things that people buy in those organza baggies, and sometimes when I ship orders out, I put them in there in those too. And those are some pretty summery colored beads. Nice, pretty bright colors. So hold on, I'll get some of this out of the way and get things organized a little bit, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to start with the Findings starter kit here. It always alternates between silver and gold, and this month it's gold. So we've got some memory wire, some bead stringing wire, some elastic cord, make stretchy bracelets with, and then there's some head pins, some crimp beads. These are not crimp tubes, they're crimp beads, some lobster clasps, some fishhook ear wires, and some jump rings. So like I said, that's really handy, especially if you're kind of new to jewelry making and you don't have a very large stash of findings. So starting with the strands, the first thing is a 6-inch strand of 10mm orange matte glass beads. And these are just really pretty. I know I always talk about how I love shiny beads, but I love matte beads too. I think we've established by now I love all the beads. So I don't think I've ever met a bead I don't like. So these are really pretty though. They look like they glow inside. They're just really, really pretty. And then next, it says a 6-inch strand of 10mm yellow swirl marble style glass beads. And it looks like I accidentally got 2. So I got lucky. They must have accidentally put an extra strand in my box. But these are really pretty. Pretty yellow color. Yellow swirl marble style glass beads. Got the yellow and some black and gray in there. Some white. Those are really pretty. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 8mm soft pink marble style glass beads. And that's a lot of beads, a 16-inch strand. And I know I'm zoomed in really close. Let me zoom out a little. Can't really see such a long strand of beads if I'm zoomed in really close. Those are really pretty. Really pretty color of pink. Soft pink. Like it says. Just really pretty beads. And then next is a 10-inch strand of 8mm red blossom spray glass beads. And those are really pretty too. Got that spray on them there. really pretty, colorful summer color beads. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 6mm red/yellow marble style glass beads. And that really is a lot of beads, a 16-inch strand of 6mm beads. Those are really pretty, the red and the yellow. Really pretty beads. A whole lot of beads. Like I said, you get a whole lot of beads in this box for $20. And then last in the strands is a 10-inch strand of fuchsia/gold drizzled glass beads. And those are really pretty. They've got that drizzled effect on them. And the fuchsia and the gold. So that's all of the strands. These over here out of my way. Next, it says approximately 1 ounce Summer Blooms glass bead mix. And there's a few of those kind of long bicones, sort of a gray color. There's some sort of orange colored beads in here. There's a pink one. Looks like it's all by itself. There's a few pink ones like that there. And let's see, there's some little ones, kind of orange. There's a orange, that's an unusually shaped bead there. I don't think I've ever seen one like that. It's kind of, looks like half of a bicone or something. It's the only one of those I see. There's some bronze faceted beads there. And there's some of these beads that have that silver stripe on them. That one's a pink one. Like there's that one's kind of, that's a clear one with the stripe on it there. That's a pretty little mix of beads. And then next it says approximately 1 ounce Summer Blooms, no, I already said that. Approximately 1 ounce 6mm strawberry red glass beads. And let's see if I can find a pin to put these on. The hole is not exactly in the center of these. They've got a pretty big hole. It's kind of off center. Like that. Those are some pretty, I don't know, you probably couldn't get, you might be able to get some 1mm leather through those, I'm not sure. That's a lot of those, 1 ounce 6mm strawberry red glass beads. And then next is approximately 1 ounce 8x4mm yellow transparent peanut glass beads. And I know it's really hard to see them in that dish because they're so shiny. I can find where the hole is in one of them. There it is. So those shaped like a little peanut. And then next is 1 ounces of yellow, 8x4mm yellow peanut glass beads. So these are just like these, except these are not transparent. Same size and everything. They're just not transparent. See that peanut shape easier when they're not so shiny and transparent. Let's put a few of these on here too. You can see them next to each other. Those are the peanut beads. And then next, let's see, 12mm rust or fuchsia gemstone gold links, 4 links. I believe these would be rust because I don't believe there's any fuchsia in these. But that's really neat. It's already, links already made for you there with little spacer beads at the top. That's really handy to get those. Y'all know I love links. And then next, I think is probably my favorite thing in this whole box. 2 22 by 18mm butterfly / ladybug rhinestone gold links. And these are just so cute. Those are just so pretty. That's the back. They're not double-sided. Those are just gorgeous. Just so adorable. They'd make a real pretty pair of earrings. Or, of course, links for a necklace. I just think these are my favorite thing in the whole box. I love those rhinestones there and the little butterfly and the little ladybug. They're just really pretty. And then the last thing was the large orange organza gift bag. I know that looks kind of yellow on the screen, but it's orange. So that's everything. So hold on, let me see if I can get all in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything in the July 2024 Curated Bead Box. It's called My Summer Garden. These are some really pretty beads. Can't wait to see what I can make with these beads. I hope you all come back and watch me and bead along with me. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you 35% off your first box. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified the next time I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.